Picture a drone surveying a road construction site. This drone is equipped with video and image recording capabilities. The drone captures real-time imagery and video of the site. Every detail of the construction progress is recorded. Once the footage is captured and uploaded to PMPplanner, the AI model analyzes the data in real time. It quantifies the percentage of completion, identifies the materials used, and measures the length and depth of the road. The analysis is transformed into a detailed report within PMPplanner. The report captures vital information gathered from the footage. The report is then dispatched as a notification to the user. This allows for efficient project management with up-to-date information. Project management reaches new heights with PMPplanner's real-time visual updates, integrating drone-captured imagery seamlessly into workflows. Drag and drop drone captured media effortlessly, edit status reports, and preview results instantly with PMPplanner. It's designed for the modern project manager, ensuring efficiency and user-friendliness. With PMPplanner, generate comprehensive PDF reports that incorporate detailed drone imagery and insightful comments, keeping stakeholders informed and transparency intact. Enhance documentation with PMPplanner's new address field. Essential details are covered through mandatory fields like country and state, while optional fields like coordinates ensure pinpoint accuracy. PMPplanner streamlines project management with dynamic and interactive status updates, making multi-project oversight a breeze through the Visual Project Status Report system. Ready to transform your project management process? Visit www.pmpplanner.com to try PMPplanner's new Visual Project Status Report today.